afternoon. The bundudiambenza come to dance in tune. Sacred guides, guardians of life's grace. They light our bodies, our souls find their place. On mamatadi, the earth awakens. They give us strength, the sun reclaims us. In their glow we find liberty, balance reborn in infinity. Oh, bundudiambenza, sweet clarity. Orange flame to purify me. They bring sacred energy so bright. The joy of living, the peace of life. Under their wings, emotions sway. Thoughts flow freely, finding their way. They calm the heart, regulate the fire. Sacred love ignites pure desire. In the river of their vibration, everything turns to pure creation. Every breath a gift, every step a spark. They build dreams glowing in the dark. Oh, bundudiambenza, sweet clarity. Orange flame to purify me. They bring sacred energy so bright. The joy of living, the peace of life. They teach us to honor all that lives, the sacred bond that the present gives. In their dance, harmonies revealed. Well, being flows, our wounds are healed. Oh, bundudiambenza, orange light. Through you life becomes so bright. On mamatadi, they make us shine with love, passion, and the divine.